So this week our question was to describe a military turning point in World War II. Our answer was the bombing of Pearl Harbor was a major turning point in the war because it was the first attack on the United States soil. The bombing of Pearl Harbor made an impact on the involvement of the United States in the war altogether. The next major military turning point during World War II was the invasion of Normandy by the American, British, and Canadian troops. The major involvement of American troops in Europe did not begin until June 6, 1944. This is a quote from Foner on page 860. This shows that this was a big turning point in the war because now American troops were more focused on liberating European countries from Germany rule. By August 1944, these troops were able to liberate Paris, which was a huge win for the countries fighting against the Axis powers. With American troops now being focused on liberating European countries, the next major battle was the Battle of Stalingrad. Russia was receiving supplies from the United States through the Volga River that was in Stalingrad, making it easier for Russia to fight back against Germany. Russia was able to make Germany retreat, and they surrendered at Stalingrad. The surrender at Stalingrad in January 1943 marked the turning point of the European War. This is also another quote from Foner on page 860. The next major turning points in the war were the battle for the Coral Sea and the battle for Midway. These battles allowed the United States to stop the Japanese fleets and made them start retreating towards Japan. The significance of these battles were it enabled the United States to get closer to Japan and helped in the decision to drop the atomic bombs, which eventually ended the war.